What is up, y'all? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Linnea. We live in the suburbs. We are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we can, we do recipes, we do sourdough, we do lots of fun stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, thanks for being here. If you're not new here, welcome back. Missed you. Hope you're having a great day. Anyway, today is the day that I'm making sourdough crepes. And not only am I making sourdough crepes, I am using this. I have never used this before. It is unopened. One of my very best friends gave this to me as a gift for Christmas a couple years ago because we were college roommates and we had nothing better to do when we were in college than make crepes. And so she gave this to me as a fun gift, of which I have never used. Mostly because Jonathan really doesn't love crepes, so like it's not the most fun to make crepes when it's just for myself. But you know what? I'm in the mood to use this today. I've never used it. I don't know how it works. I don't even know how well it works. So we're gonna find out. You know, if it works, it works. If not, well, come watch me fail. So let's go make some crepes with this thing. All right, so in this bowl, I have half a cup of flour. I'm gonna add 2 large eggs. Gonna add half a cup of sourdough discard. I'm gonna add 3/4 of a cup of milk. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of water. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of regular salt. And since I'm making these crepes sweet, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm gonna whisk it all together. And now I'm gonna put this in the fridge for 1 hour, and then we will be back to actually make the crepes. All right, let's unbox this thing. Dangerously as possible. Let me get back here so you guys can actually maybe see. Also, today is Calvin's 3rd birthday, so I'll probably give him a crepe. We also got him a present, so maybe I will show that in the video. Instructions, of which I will read because I'm not trying to waste my time. Alright, that's it. That's the box. Comes with a little spatula. You know, I'm gonna assume it does this, and you plug it in and you turn it on. But like I said, I'm going to read the directions really quickly, and then we'll actually make the crepes. Also, I honestly thought they were going to be way bigger than that. Thought they were going to be like, whew. But you know, it's okay. It's okay. All right, so I very quickly read the directions, and essentially what you do is you pour your crepe batter in this plate here, and then I have the crepe maker heating up. You take this and you do this, and then you put it back, and then you let it cook. That's what the directions say. So, I am going to let this heat up for 4 minutes since I have not used it before, because that's what it recommended. In the meantime, I'm going to pour some crepe batter in here and reread the directions and make sure that's what I'm actually supposed to do, because, you know, I'm trying to be successful here. Anyway, I will see you guys in like 4 minutes when this thing is like heated up and not emitting smoke. All right, it's been some minutes. Let me flip this camera strap over to the other side. It's been some minutes. This thing feels hot. I reread the directions again, and it definitely said flip this thing over at an angle, get batter on it, put it on here. You have a crepe. It said if you want thicker crepes, you leave it in the batter for just a little bit longer. You know, I'm like literally, I'm nervous. So, okay. We're just gonna go for it. It says at an angle. Oh, it's sizzling. Lift it up. Oh, that's too thin. Okay. That's just a test. Just a test. Oh boy. Okay, we're gonna scrape all this off. That's what we're doing. Okay. Okay. Guys, this sucks. Clearly it's because there's butter in there and the butter's preventing it from give me a minute. Give me a minute. All right, I wiped it off with a paper towel. Let's try again. You know, it says at an angle, but like, maybe I leave it in for a couple seconds. Oh, that's a little better. Don't mind our sink over here. You know, I won't lie. I think making them in a pan is like a lot easier. And I might do that actually with the rest of this batter, because this is frustrating. So maybe we'll move on to do that. But you know, I will try this one with some Nutella, because that's the way I like it. You know, I think it has like the potential to be good. Maybe if I made the crepe recipe that it comes with instead of maybe Maybe I use this recipe next time. Maybe that's the answer. All right, I think that's cooked. So we're gonna... I mean, it does work. It just is like... It does work. It's just not, it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna continue to make these, and let me put some Nutella in one of these, and we'll try it out. You guys kind of awkwardly like watch me try this while I'm keeping an eye on the other one. It is good. Like, honestly, it's really good. The crepe recipe itself is very good. The maker, you know, it's alright. Not bad. Well, I'm staring at the crepe that's currently cooking. That's why I look like I'm in a daze. I mean, I guess it's, I don't know. I would have to make a video or just a separate time, like using the maker for some of them and then using a pan and tell you which one's easier, because the maker is not as simple as just like putting it in the batter. But yeah, let me go take this other crepe off. Bah. That one's a little toasty. I will make one for Calvin since it's his birthday, and I'll put some cheese in it. And I'll show you guys his little crepe in a minute. But yeah, honestly, not that bad. The recipe itself, I like it. I really like the sourdough recipe. You know, it's just a matter of, I don't know if this machine is easier or not. That's a good one. Okay, made Calvin's. Calvin, come here. You want a Dorito for your birthday? Oh, stretchies. You want to sit? Can you sit? Can you sit? Calvin, sit. Calvin, sit. Come over here. Here you go. Will Calvin eat it is the real test. Yep. Calvin, come here. You open your present. Alright, I did not wrap Calvin's present because he is a dog. But he does love boxes, so we'll see if he finds the right thing in the box. What is it? Did you get a blue dino? Yeah! You get a new toy? Oh yeah, look at the tail whip. We also got him a raincoat because Calvin does not like to be wet when he is outside. You think we should put it on him? Calvin, you got it. So this is Calvin's raincoat. It has rubber duckies on the other side. All right, y'all. Calvin is used to clothes kind of because he wears a life jacket when we go canoeing. Come here. Can you sit? Can you sit? Calvin, sit. You're not gonna sit in your coat. You love it. It even has a hood. We won't make him wear the hood, but I think he looks pretty good in it. You like your raincoat? You're gonna like it when, there you go. You're gonna like it when you don't get rained on. You want your dino? You know, he'll be fine. Maybe I should get back to making crepes now. Alright, I'll finish this crepe video so you guys don't have to watch any more Calvin content. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, I've kind of gotten the hang of it, and I'll show you guys really quickly, and then we'll actually end the video because I'm not really trying to drag this out. Basically what I learned is you have to put it in an angle and slowly kind of rotate it around and leave it in the batter for just a bit, and then lift it up, and then flip it over and put it on. I do think in the beginning there was like too much butter on the top of the batter, which was causing it to not stick to this. I don't really know how to get away from that other than not putting butter in this, but every recipe calls for butter, so yeah, it's really not that bad. That's all I have to say. The recipe itself, the sourdough crepe recipe, is fantastic. It is delicious. These are the crepes I've been making with it, and they're super good. So I am going to end the video here and finish making the rest of my crepes and clean up the kitchen and listen to Calvin drink some water in the background. But anyway, my next video is definitely going to be strawberry rhubarb pie. It was going to be this recipe or this video, but I ate all the strawberries, so I have to buy more. So yeah, if you are interested in that, come back on Saturday for a strawberry rhubarb pie recipe. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye!